Spine straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in. Hold it there. Oh. Oh. ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यं प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्। हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलं स्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्ज सम्भावितललाटकम् हिरण्यकुण्डलौ वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजम्। वेट्रिवेल् मुरुगनक हर हरो हर भूतनाथ सदानन्द सर्वभूतदयापर रक्ष रक्ष महाबाहो शास्त्रे तुभ्यं नमो नमः। स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा कोमलङ्कूजनौ वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म भासतां पुरतो मम। सायंकाले वनान्ते कुसुमितसमये सैकते चन्द्रिकायां त्रैलोक्याकर्षणाङ्गं सुरवरगणिका मोहनापाङ्गमूर्तिम्। सेव्यं शृङ्गारभावैः नवरसभरितैः गोपकन्यासहस्रैः वन्देऽहं रासकेलीरतमतिसुभगम् पश्य गोपालकृष्णम्। आनीलश्लक्ष्णकेशञ्ज्वलितमकरसत् कुण्डलं मन्दहासस्यन्दाद्रं कौस्तुभश्री परिगतवनमालोरुहाराभिरामम्। श्रीवत्साङ्गं सुबाहुं मृदुलसदुदरं काञ्चनच्छायचेलम् चारुस्निग्धोरुमम्भोरुहललितपदम् भावयेऽहं भवन्तम्। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनम् गोविन्दा गोविन्दा मोक्षाभिसारमय भागवताख्य दध्नो नारायणीय नवनीतमोहो गृहीत्वा मायामयौघपरितप्तजनाय योगात् नारायणावनिसुराय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै। गंगा गीता च गायत्र्यपि च तुलसिका गोपिका चन्दनं तत् सालग्रामाभिपूजा परपुरुष तथैकादशी नाम वर्णाः एतान्यष्टाप्ययत्नान्यपि कलिसमये त्वत्प्रसादप्रवृद्ध्या क्षिप्रं मुक्तिप्रदानीत्यभिदधुलुषयस्तेषु मां सज्जयेथाः। हरये नमः। गोपिका जीवनस्मरणं गोविन्द गोविन्द। श्री पोन्नुगुरुवायूरप्पने शरणं, आनंद चिन्मयने शरणं, चोटानिकर भगवती अम्मये शरणं। नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवं नमस्ते। Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Narayaniyam session. We have completed 18th Dashakam last week. We are going to start with 19th and again a new Chandas. But before that, let us quickly do the Parayan of the 18th and then move on to the 19th to see another beautiful Chandas. And I'm going to ask if everybody is compiling the Chandas, right? Then only you all will get what Sajeev Ji is doing. You all are compiling? How many Chandasas are over? Because I'm so excited.
Yes, I have.
You have, okay.
I mean, I made a list of
what he has done. It's so beautiful. But I'll give only if you all are doing. Because
I mean, I've sort of listed the chandas we have learned.
Okay. Anybody has the count? How many Chandasas we have finished?
12.
I haven't
Where is
counted.
the count? Anybody has counted? How many Chandas? Plus, minus? Nobody counted?
Plus one more, 13.
14? Okay.
13.
13. Anybody? Any other account? Nobody did. Then I'm not going to share. Okay. Sajeev Ji, we'll have to wait for your brilliant work to be shared. Okay. I'm not sharing. Next week, come and tell me the count. Hey kids, y'all must have done, right? Arjun, Anish, Anita. How many chandas we finished? So far, till 18th Dashakam. Okay, next week, give me the count. All of you count and count, then only I'll share that. Okay, let's do the 18th Dashakam. Volunteers raise hands. We'll do the Parayan of 18. Okay. I just need 10 people. 8 are over, but 7 are over. Okay. Enough. Now this is enough. Okay. No, maybe one more is needed. Okay, enough. Now enough. Okay. Let us start. So 18th, first one, our sweetheart Anika. Second one, Arjun. Third one, Anish. Okay, now please mark your third. Fourth, Shushma Kannan. Fifth, Radha Krishnan. Sixth, Lataj is 7. Sixth, I said, no? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Shobhaji, 8, Sajeev Ji, 9, Sahana Ji, and 10, Indra Ji. Okay, let us start, kiddos.
जातस्य ध्रुवकुल एव तुङ्गकीर्ते रङ्गस्य व्यच्युतः सवेन नामा यद्दोषव्यथितमतिश्च राजवर्यस्त्वत्पा देवी तमना वनङ्गतोऽभूत्
पापोपेक्षितलपालनाय वेनः पौराद्यैरुपनिहितः कठोरवीर्यः
सर्वेभ्यो निजबलमेव सम्प्रशंसन् भूचक्रे तव यजनान्ययन्यरौत्सीत् सम्प्राप्ते हितकथनाय तापसौघे मत्तोऽन्यो भुवनपतिर्न कश्चनेते वन्निन्दावचनपरो मुनीश्वरैस्तैः शापाग्नौ शलभदशायिमनायिवेनः
तन्नाशाखलजनभीरुकैर्मुनीन्द्रैः तन्मात्रा चिरपरिरक्षिते तदङ्के त्यक्ताघ्ये परिमथिता दथोरुदण्डात् दोर्दण्डे परिमपतिते त्वमाविरासीः
विख्यातः पृथुरिति तापसोपदिष्टैः सूदाद्यैः परिणुत भावि भूरिवीर्यः वेनार्त्या कबलितसम्पदन्धरित्रीम् आक्रान्तान् निजधनुषा समामकार्षीः
भूयस्तान् निजकुलमुख्यवत्सयुक्तैः देवाद्यै समुचितचारुभाजनेषु अन्नादीन्यभिलिषितानि यानि तानि स्वच्छन्दं सुरभितनूमदूदुहस्त्वम्
आत्मानं यजति मखैस्त्वयि त्रिधामन्नारब्धे शततमवाजिमेधयागे स्पर्धालुशतमख एत्यनीच वेषः हृत्वाश्वन्तव तनयात् पराजितोऽभूत्
Ajit ji.
8 or 9 minus okay. देवेन्द्रं मुहुरिति वाजिनौ हरन्तं वह्नौतं मुनिवरमण्डले जुहूषौ रुन्धाने कमलभवे क्रतौ समाप्तौ साक्षात् त्वं मधुरिपुमैक्ष्यथा स्वयं स्वं
तद्दत्तं वरमुपलभ्य भक्तिमेकां गङ्गान्ते विहितपदः कदापि देवा सत्रस्थं मुनिनिवहं हितानि शंसन् ऐक्षिष्टासनकमुखान् मुनीन् पुरस्तात्
विज्ञानं सनकमुखो धितं दधानः स्वात्मानं स्वयमगमो वनान्तसेवी तत्तादृक्पृथुवपुरीश सत्वरं मे रोगौघं प्रशमय वातगेहवासीं
सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द. Good. So now we enter another beautiful dashakam and another beautiful chandas. Vamshastha. It's the first time we are doing. So in Vamshastha, let us just a minute. Okay. So what is happening in Vamshastha? There are 12 alphabets. Okay. 12 alphabets in line equally in this. Then actually, today I'll introduce one verse, but one line. So every chandas will have its definition. Okay. So that definition will be according to the rule of that particular chandas. So I'll just introduce and keep. If somebody wants, please write down. It's not necessary that you should know this to know Narayaniam, just out of curiosity. So the definition is Jatau tu vamshasthamudiritanjarau. So, Jatau, Jatau, au ki matra. Jatau, one word. Jatau tu. Jatau tu. Then, Vamshastham. So, this chandas name is Vamshastha. Udiritam. Udiritam means it is told. Jarau. Ja and rau. Au. So, definition is Jatau tu. Vanshastham Udiritam Jarau. Okay, so now we will see the definition. What does this mean? In this one, if anybody has written Jatau, anybody has written the line Jatau tu Vanshastham Udiritam Jarau. Anybody has written the line? Okay. Now in that, tell me whether the Ja is Laghu or a Guru. Ja word is Laghu or a Guru. Laghu. So mark on that. Our U is, okay, our U. Laghu. Then Jatau. Tau is Laghu or a Guru?
Guru.
Guru. So you mark Guru, 1 dash. Okay. Tu. Jatau tu. Short tu. Laghu or a Guru?
Lagu.
So 1 you mark on that. Okay. Then Vanshastham is there, no? Vau is what? Laghu or a Guru?
Lagu only, soft vowel. Lagu ma?
Va is a Guru because it is with Anuswara. Vansha.
Okay. Okay.
Vansha is a Guru. Vanshastha. Sha is what? Sha is a Guru. Yes, Shobha. Sha is Guru. Why Sha is a Guru?
Follows.
Because the next word is Tha. Next word is Tha, which is a conjunct. Correct. So before conjunct, though Sha is not having any Aki Matra or anything, Vansha. So Sha has become Guru. So our Vau is Guru. Sha is Guru. Stha. Stha is what?
Lagu.
Sa is Laghu. Now, Vanshasthamu. Vanshastham Udiritam. Vanshastha Mu. Mu is Laghu or Guru?
Laghu.
Laghu. Di. Dirghadi.
Guru.
Guru. Mu is Laghu. Di is Guru. Ri. Ri is what?
Lagu.
Laghu. Tam is what? Tam is Guru. Because it is with Anuswara. Tam is Guru.
Okay.
And then Ja. Ja is what?
Lagu.
Laghu. And Rau is what?
Guru.
Guru. So this is our definition of Vansha. Now we will match this with the first line of our shlok in the 19th Dashakam. Prutho stu is there, na? Pru is Laghu or a Guru? First word in the 19th Dashakam. Prutho stu.
Lagu. Lagu is Guru.
Pru is Guru. Ho is what?
Guru.
Guru. Stu is what?
Lagu.
Laghu. So we have got Laghu, Guru, Laghu. Napta. Na is what?
Lagu.
No?
Guru. Because
No,
it's a conjunct. It's
Na is Guru. Why? Because Napta's conjunct is there. Napta, right?
Guru.
Yeah, you're seeing the text, right? 19th
Yes.
Dashakam, first line. So Na is Guru. And then because it is a conjunct, Napta. And not only conjunct, it's Aki Matra. Napta. Aki Matra. So what it is?
Guru.
Napta is Guru. Pruthu. Pru is what?
Lagu.
Laghu. Thu is what?
Lagu again.
Laghu. In dharmas, dha is what?
Guru.
Ma is what?
Lagu.
Laghu. Ka is what?
Lagu.
And Guru. Because ka will be Guru. Because it is before that karma, right?
Karma. Okay. Irma.
Ma is what? Hello. Ma is what? Laghu. And Thaha is what?
Guru.
Because it is Thaha. So now we understood what was the definition given. So definition, if we remember, we get the lakshana of how the word is placed. But if you have to just like I was spoon feeding, how no? In the Vanshastha, then 2nd, 4th, 5th, 6, 8, 10, 12 are Guru. actually. So instead of giving you this spoon feeding, what is Guru? Second, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12. This is Guru. So normally I would say 12 alphabets are there and these are Guru. We would finish off the matter. But today I'm just saying from where this information is coming. So if we remember the definition, Jatau tu vanshasthamudiritam jarau. Then we get that definition of this Guru Laghu combination. And if you see, then the second alphabet, whatever we have written, no Guru, you just count of what alphabet Gurus are there. It will be 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12. Exactly these alphabets are Guru. Are you spotting the Guru alphabets? Anybody has doubt? Please, even if it's a silly thing, please ask. Because it's your doubt, it is big for you, please ask. Okay. So now, can I increase little bit more information or will it be too much? Okay. One small definition somewhere in the corner you write and keep. Yarata yanti laghavam. Yarata yanti laghavam. And bhajasa yanti guru. Bhajasa gauravam yanti. Okay. Now, where we are going to use this information? Yarata yanti laghavam, bhajasa gauravam yanti. Where are we going to use this information? Now, see, we have got that Guru Laghu, that Jatau we did, right? That definition. If we divide 3, 3, 3, how much ganas are possible?
4 ganas.
4 ganas.
4 ganas, everybody got? If we put markings, 4 ganas are possible. In each gana, 3, 3 alphabets, 4 ganas are possible. Now you come focus on that first. First combination, what we have got? Laghu, Guru, Laghu. Correct? Correct. Now you come to this definition, Bhajasa Gauravam Yanti. Okay. So in this Laghu, Guru, Laghu combination in our first, what is in the middle? Guru is in the middle. Correct. In our first Jat. Everybody got what I'm talking?
Yes.
In our first Gana.
Yes.
So in that Guru is in the middle. Correct. So
Yes.
now you see this definition, Bhajasa Gauravam Yanti. So in that Ja is in the middle. Correct? So this first one is called the Ja Gana. Where the combination is Laghu, Guru, Laghu. It is our Ja Gana. If you turn the pages and see, you will find that this Gana's name is Ja Gana. Very easy, right? Bhajasa Yanti. So Guru Madhya, that means Guru Madhya is Ja Gana. And Bhajasa word, Gauravam Yanti. Gaurava is Guru. So Ja is in the middle. Okay. Even if you feel it difficult, just collect the information, put somewhere in the corner, forget it, no problem. We will, when we'll repeat it for some other thing, it will stay. Now you come to the second Gana. What we have there combination? Guru, Guru, Laghu. Correct?
Yeah.
So Guru, Guru, Laghu. Laghu is where now, Laghu is singled out. Laghu is where? In the end. Correct? Laghu is in the end. So now you go to this definition. Yarata yanti laghavam. And Laghu is in the end. So this should be which Gana?
Ta gana. Yarata.
Correct. Yarata. So this is a Ta Gana. Nice mathematics, no? I'll repeat again the information, but we'll complete this now. Then we have the next set. What is the next set? Laghu, Guru, Laghu. Is it like the first one? Guru is in the middle.
Yes. Yes.
So this will be which Gana?
Jagana.
This will be the Jagana. Good. Now you see the last 3 sets. What we got? Guru, Laghu, Guru. So now what is in the center?
Laghu.
Laghu. So now in the laghus, that yaratayanti laghavam, what is in the center?
Ra.
R. Yarata.
Ragana.
Yeah.
Ragana.
So this is the Ragana. Okay. So now we'll keep this small definition aside and we can exercise this. Today only we have collected the information. It is very raw. Do not get confused. It is just to remember which Gana. So last time we had said Yamatara, then I said Man, all Gulaghu, all Guru, maybe you require Ma or we require No. We gave that information. Today this small information is added. Write somewhere in the corner and keep. It's easy to remember. Yeah. Yarata yanti laghavam bhajasa gauravam. So then we can add the information. So now for today, those who are not following any of this and feel complicated, what you should carry? Nothing. Vamshastha has 12 syllables. That's all is enough. Whether this Guru or Laghu, does it make any difference for Narayaniam? No, nothing. Doesn't make any difference. It is only out of that interest of that chandas of what we are doing. And if you want, you can keep the additional information, second, fourth, fifth, 6, 8, 10, 12 are Guru. You can keep the information you want. And this information is coded in the Sanskrit form that Jatautu Vamshastha Mudiri Tanjaro. What I have said, this 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12 are Guru is coded into that sutra. Clear? So this is our Vamshastha Chandas. Any
Harsha ji,
doubts?
I have a good-
Ji.
yes, I have a good question. So you're saying 2, 4, 5, 6 is also a
Yeah, 6,
Laghu
8, 10,
Guru?
12. 6.
6 is not 6. I didn't mark. Okay. Let me see if I can undo.
Ho, stu, na, ta, pru.
Huh?
Yeah, 1 minute. Huh?
Yeah. Because
1,
if
2,
you just go to the description, it is Laghu Guru
Yeah,
Laghu.
it's 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 11 actually.
No, not
Only 8, 10,
4,
11.
5, 8, 10.
10, 11.
8, 10,
8, 10,
12.
11.
11.
8, 10,
10,
11,
11.
12. 12. Not
2,
11,
4,
12.
5,
No,
8,
yeah,
10, 12.
yeah.
Correct?
2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 12.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes. Because I only have 1, 2, 3, 6. Only 6
1,
of
2,
them
3,
are
5, 6.
gurus. 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 12.
Yes, yes.
Even Jatautu, Va, Sha, then Stha, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stha is not a guru
Yes.
because
Yeah.
it is
Yeah.
only
So
a-
6 is not there. So thank you. Thank you, Lakshmi ji, for pointing out that 6 is not
Sorry,
there. No, good. Good, you have to say, because then the information they write in the notes and then you revisit. Okay. So something I have miscounted. Thank you for pointing that. Okay. So now are we clear of Vamshastha? Any more doubts? Okay. So now let us begin. And where are my kids? So we will have one volunteer first. By the time kids finish, then we'll take the adults. Though half an hour we have spent on learning the chandas, we will try to still finish if possible. Because today is not just the daily Gita that would get delayed. There is a reading of Eknathi Bhagavad as well. Okay. Come over, Anika. Dashakam 19. Now we are going into Prachetasya Kathanuvarnana. Vamshastha Chandas. Prithostu napta pritudharma karmataha.
पृथोस्तु नप्ता पृथुधर्म कर्मठः
Prachina barhir shatadritau.
प्राचीनबर्हिर्युवतौ शतद्रुतौ
Achetaso nama suchetasas suthan. No ending.
प्रचेतसो नाम सुचेतसस्सुतान्
Starting. Aji janatvat karunankuraniva.
अजीजनत्वत्करुणाङ्कुरानिव करुणाङ्कुरानिव
Very good. पृथोस्तु नप्ता पृथुधर्मकर्मठः प्राचीन बर्हिर्युवतो युवतौ शतधृतौ.
पृथोस्तु नप्ता पृथुधर्म कर्मठः प्राचीन बर्हि युवतौ शतधृतौ
प्रचेतसो नाम सुचेतसः सुतान् अजीजनत्वत्करुणाङ्कुरानिव.
प्रचेतसो नाम सुचेतसस्सुतान् अजीजनत्वत्करुणा पुराणिव पृथोस्तु नप्ता पृथुधर्मकर्मठः प्राचीन बर्हिर्युवतौ शतधृतौ प्रचेतसो नाम सुचेतसस्सुतान् अजीजनत्वत्करुणा पुरानिव.
Karunankura. Ankura is that sprout. So don't split Kuraniva. Karunankuran. Karunankura. Karuna, compassion. Ankura, sprout. Karunankura, sprout of compassion. Eva, like a sprout of that. Karunankuraniva.
Karunankuraniva.
And that Karunankara is whose? Twat. Yours. Means whose? Bhagavan's. So, Twat Karunankuraniva. Say.
Twat Karunankuraniva.
And then before that the word is Ajijanat. Ajijanat means to get. So, Ajijanat Twat Karunankuraniva.
Ajijanat Twat Karunankuraniva.
Very good. Yes. So, Prutha, Pruthoho, apostrophe S, Pruthos, Pruthus, Pruthus Napta. Napta is Pautra, we understand. Putra son is Pautra. And that Pautra son is Nap. So, great grandson. So, this Pruthus great grandson, and then the other word has come, Pruthu Dharma Karmatha. There, Pruthu means very much, too much. Dharma, on the path of dharma, and karmataha means doing lot of rituals. So he was abundantly doing lot of rituals. Who? Pruthu king's great grandson. He was into lot of yajna karmas. Prachina Barhi. Prachina Barhi, that is his name. Yuvatau Shatadhrutau. Shatadhrutau. Shatadhruta and Yuvatau, young Shatadhruti. So Prachina Barhi, this one, whose name? That Pruthu's Napta, Pruthu's great grandson, this Prachina Barhi, was born to this young Shatadhruta. Okay. Then what happens? Shatadhruta. So to them what has happened? Prachetasaha nama Suchetasaha Sutan. So over here, that Ajijanat means they got Tvat Karunankuraniva. Bhattacharyji is saying to Lord that your, as though they are like your compassion. Who? They got children. So it is not mentioned here, but it is in Bhagavad Puran. They got 10 children. And they 10 children all together are called as Prachetas. Okay, so Prachetas are this joint, the combined name of the 10 children. Who got that? Prachina Bharhi got. Who is Prachin Bharhi? Prachin Bharhi is son, great grandson of Pruthu Raja. So, those who have S.N. Shastri's book, in that paragraph, they have given whose son is who. Pruthu's son is Vijitashva. Vijitashva's son is Havirdhana. Havirdhana's son is Barhishan. And this Barhishat was so much into the action in the Yajna Karma, and he would do once like he did a Yajna like which needed to cover all the Darbha grass, and towards the east side onwards, he spread it to all. So east side is also known as Prachi. So from that who is doing so much, his name became Prachina Bharti. And then this Prachetasas, that bunch of 10 sons together, which were like God's own compassion, were born. Okay. Prithostu natta prithodharma karmathaha prachina barhir yuvatau shatadritau prachetaso nama suchetasasutan ajijanatvat karunankuraniva. Anish. पितुस्य सृक्षा निरतस्य शासनात्
पितुस्य सृक्षा निरतस्य शासनात्.
So when we break the pada, shasanad will become shasanat. Okay, when we stop at the pada. But when we are continuing shasanat bhavat tapasya, so then it will become the. But when we stop at the pada, mark as halantat. भवत्तपस्याभिरता दशापिते.
भवत्तपस्या निरता दशापिते.
Okay, you have anirata.
Yeah.
Tapasyabhirata. Ni will become he, but it should not change the meaning. Anyways. Payonidhim paschimametje tattate.
पयोनिधिं पश्चिममेत्य तत्तटे.
सरोवरं सन्ददृशुर्मनोहरम्.
सरोवरं सन्ददृशुर्मनोहरम्.
पितुस्य सृक्षा निरतस्य शासनात् भवत्तपस्याभिरता दशापिते.
पितुस्ति सृक्षा निरतस्य शासनात् भवत्तपस्याभिरता दशापिते.
पयोनिधिं पश्चिममेत्य तत्तटे सरोवरं सन्ददृशुर्मनोहरम्.
पयोनिधिं पश्चिममेत्य तत्तटे सरोवरं सन्ददृशुर्मनोहरम्. पितुस्ति सृक्षा निरतस्य शासनात् भवत्तपस्याभिरता दशापिते. पयोनिधिं पश्चिममेत्य तत्तटे सरोवरं सन्ददृशुर्मनोहरम्.
So, Pituhu, fathers. Si srukshan niratasya shasanat. Shasanat, from father they got an order. What? Si srukshan niratasya, to have children. Then what? Bhavat tapasyabhirata dashapi. This 10 also means prachetas, the whole. When we say prachetas, it means 10 son altogether. Dashapi, 10 also, all them. Bhavat tasya tapasyabhirata means Bhattatriji is now saying to the, in your tapasya, they were abhirata. They were engaged in your tapas. Where? Payonidhim, in the Milky Ocean. Where? Paschima Metya Tattar, towards the west. On the, near the, on the west, going towards the sea. There what? Sarovaram, there is a lake, which is very beautiful. Dadurshur Manoharam. When they saw this beautiful lake. So they say that north of Guruvayur, there is this beautiful lake by the name of Rudra Tirtha. So this lake is referred over here. So this is as tradition they mention. Pitussi sruksha niratasya shasanad bhavat tapasyabhirata dashapite payonidhim paschimamete tattate sarovaran sandadrushir manoharam. Yes, Arjun. Tada bhavat tirthamidam samagataha.
भवतीर्थमिदं समागतः.
Again.
तदा भवतीर्थमिदं समागतः
भवो भवत्सेवकदर्शनादृतः
भवो भवत्सेवकदर्शनादृतः
Is it in you? Do you have Bhavat Sevaka or you have Bhakta Sevaka?
भवत्सेवक
Bhavat Sevana. Okay. Right. Prakashamasadya purah prachetasam.
प्रकाशमासाद्य पुरः प्रचेतसाम्
उपादिशद्भक्ततमस्तवस्तवम्
उपाधिशद्भक्ततमस्तवस्तवम्
तदा भवत्तीर्थमिदं समागतः भवो भवत्सेवकदर्शनादृतः
तदा भवत्तीर्थमिदं समागतः भवो भवत्सेवकदर्शनादृतः
प्रकाशमासाद्य पुरः प्रचेतसा उपादिशद्भक्ततमस्तवस्तवम्
प्रकाशमासाद्य पुरः प्रचेतसा उपादिशद्भक्ततमस्तवस्तवम् तदा भवत्तीर्थमिदं समागतः भवो भवत्सेवकदर्शनादृतः प्रकाशमासाद्य पुरः प्रचेतसा उपादिशद्भक्ततमस्तवस्तवम्
So then, this Prachetas, they were on these banks and they were meditating. It's a very beautiful scene that is happening now. Bhavat Tirtham idam samagataha, when they had come over there, Bhavo Bhavat Sevaka Darshanadruta. So over here, it is Lord Shiva that is being mentioned. So, Lord Shiva is Bhagwan Narayana's devotee. Then the favorite devotee or the greatest Bhakta Tamaha Bhava. So when Prachetas Jis are praying over there, Lord Shiva appeared because he is the greatest Bhakta of Lord Narayana. Lord Shiva is Bhakta of Lord Narayana. Okay. Now what happens over there? And he shows themselves. Prakash Asadya. He shows themselves. Puraf Prachetasam. He appears in front of Prachetas. Puraf Prachetasam Prakasham Asadya. And then what does he do? Upadishat Tava Stavam. Lord Shiva appears and teaches Prachetasa Tava Stavam. Tava, your Stavam, Stuti. Your means Bhattacharya saying to Lord Guruvairappa. Guruvairappa Stuti, Shiva teaches Prachetas. Okay. So in Bhagavad Purana over here, we have one very beautiful Stuti over here. It's called Rudra Gita, where Lord Shiva has sang praise of Hari. So over here, you can just mark this and then later on go and search in Bhagavad Puran, those who are interested, where in Bhagavad Puran this is there. So it's a very beautiful thing that Shiva has appeared to tell them Stuti of Narayana. Tada bhavat tirtham idam samagataha bhavo bhavat sevaka darshanadritaha. Because Lord Shiva is also called as Ashutosh, right? So when the bhaktas of Narayana are coming, then Lord is only getting pleased very easily. So he is also happy to see and who gets pleased easily by seeing the devotees. Prakashamasadya purah prachetasa upadishad bhakta tamastavastavam. So my lovely kids have finished their chant so soon, no? Okay. Now, are there any more kids? Let us start. Shobhaji will start first with you. Tavan japantasthamami jalantare.
स्तवन् जपन्तस्तममी जलान्तरे
भवन्तमासे विशतायुतं समाः
भवन्तमासे विशतायुतं समाः
भवत्सुखास्वादरसादमीष्वियान्
भवत्सुखास्वादरसादमीश्वियान्
बभूव कालो ध्रुववन्न शीघ्रता
बभूव कालो ध्रुववन्न शीघ्रता
तवं जपन्तस्तममी जलान्तरे भवन्तमासे विशतायुतं समाः
sorry, how do I begin it?
स्तवन् जपन्तस्
Okay. स्तवन् जपन्तस्तममी जलान्तरे भवन्तमासे विशतायुतं समाः
भवत्सुखास्वादरसादमीष्वियान् बभूव कालो ध्रुववन्न शीघ्रता
भवत्सुखास्वादरसादमीष्वियान् बभूव कालो ध्रुववन्न शीघ्रता स्तवन् जपन्तस्तममी जलान्तरे भवन्तमासे विशतायुतं समाः भवत्सुखास्वादरसादमीष्वियान् बभूव कालो ध्रुववन्न शीघ्रता.
Very beautiful. Stavam means Lord's stuti. Japantaha means they kept on meditating. Just give me a minute. Yeah. So Lord's stuti, they kept on singing Japantaha from Ami Jalantare. Ami means these 10. This Prachetasa Jalantare in that water body. They kept on singing, standing in that water body. Then Bhavantam, yours. Bhattatiriji is saying to the Lord, yours. Ase Vishata. They were like enjoying, praising. For how long? Ayuta Samaha. Ayuta is 10,000. Ayuta. 10,000 years they kept on saying Lord's praises. Why? Bhavat Sukhaswada. They were so enjoying in Lord's name that it has taken them so long. 10,000 years. Bhavat Sukhaswada Rasat Amishviyan. So they all 10 were enjoying Lord's name, and 10,000 years have passed. So Babhuva Kalo, so long has taken for them. Dhruva Van, it is there, no? Dhruva Vanna. So the Sandhi Vichhed will be Dhruva Vat Na. Dhruva Vat means like Dhruva. For Dhruva, it was instantly like Lord came. But for them, it has taken so long. For them, it was not like Dhruva, Shigrata, Na Shigrata. It was not as fast as how Dhruva has done his penance for Lord to appear. For them, it has taken 10,000 years. Stavam japantastamami jolantare bhavantamase vishatayutam samaha vatsukasvadarsadamishviyan babhuva kalo dhruvavanna shigrata. Sajivji. Tapobhiresha matimatra vardhibhihi.
Tapobhiresha matimatra vardhibhihi.
Sayajna himsa niratopi pavitaha.
Sayajna himsa niratopi pavitaha.
Pitapi teshang grihayata narada pradaršitātma bhavadatma tanyayo.
Pitapi teshang grihayata narada pradaršitātma bhavadatma tanyayo.
Tapobhiresha matimatra vardhibhihi sayajna himsa niratopi pavitaha.
Tapobhiresha matimatra vardhibhihi sayajna himsa niratopi pavitaha.
पितापि तेषां गृहयात नारद प्रदर्शितात्मा भवदात्मताञ्ययौ
पितापि तेषां गृहयात नारद प्रदर्शितात्मा भवदात्मताञ्ययौ तपोभिरेषामतिमात्रवर्धिभिः स यज्ञहिंसा निरतोऽपि पावितः पितापि तेषां गृहयात नारद प्रदर्शितात्मा भवदात्मताञ्ययौ
So, like so much tapas they had done, right? So over here, what they are saying, because of so much of tapas that they did, the father who was doing so much yajna, who Prachina Barhi, so he's incurred some sins also because whatever sacrifices he had to offer, they did so much tapas and so much yajna that the father's sins were also nullified. So much. So Pitapi Tesham Gruhayat, and then what happens with Narad's Upadesha also, they have become Bhavadatmatam. Bhavat They become like you, Sarupya. So we have seen those 4 ways to unite with God. In that, Sarupya, like God, they become who? The 10 sons, the Prachetasas. तपोभिरेषामतिमात्रवर्धिभिः स यज्ञहिंसा निरतोऽपि पावितः पितापि तेषां गृहयात नारद प्रदर्शितात्मा भवदात्मताञ्ययौ सहानिंच कृपाबलेनैव पुरः प्रचेतसाम्
कृपाबलेनैव पुरः प्रचेतसाम्
प्रकाशमागाः पतगेन्द्रवाहनः
प्रकाशमागाः पतगेन्द्रवाहनः
विराजचक्रादिवरायुधांशुभिः
विराजिचक्रादिवरायुधांशुभिः
भुजाभिरष्टाभिरुदञ्चिदद्युतिः
भुजाभिरष्टाभिरुदञ्चिदद्युतिः
कृपाबलेनैव पुरः प्रचेतसाम् प्रकाशमागाः पतगेन्द्रवाहनः
कृपाबलेनैव पुरः प्रचेतसाम् प्रकाशमागाः पतगेन्द्रवाहनः
विराजचक्रादिवरायुधांशुभिः भुजाभिरष्टाभिरुदञ्चितद्युतिः
विराजिचक्रादिवरायुधांशुभिः भुजाभिरष्टाभिरुदञ्चितद्युतिः कृपाबलेनैव पुरः प्रचेतसाम् प्रकाशमागाः पतगेन्द्रवाहनः विराजिचक्रादिवरायुधांशुभिः भुजाभिरष्टाभिरुदञ्चितद्युतिः
अष्टाभिः भुजाभिः all tritiya bahuvachan instrumental case by. So with ashtabhihi 8 bahus. In that what he has so much chakradi extra means all his Sudarshana chakra and all other ayudhas. So Dhamshubhi and those who are shining up also. So decorated the 8 hands with all these powerful weapons which are shining so brightly, and Patagendra Vahanaha. Patagendra Garuda Vahana. He sits, and Krupabalena, with that compassion only. Again, third case, Puraha Prachetasa Agaha. With all that light, Prakasham Agaha, with all that light in front of Prachetas, Lord, yes. Kripabalenaiva Purah Prachetasa Prakashamaga Patagendra Vahanaha Viraji Chakradi Varayudhamshubhihi Ujabirashtabhirudam Chitadyutihi. Radha Krishnanji. So in SN Shastri ji, you will have to give one dot Anuswaran Pracheta Sam. Only Pracheta Sa is written over there. There is Anuswaran Pracheta Sa, seventh one. Pracheta Santa Vadayat. Oh, Pracheta Santa Vadaya Tamapi.
प्रचेतसान्ता वतया च तामपि
Tvamev Karunya Bharadvaranadaha.
त्वमेव कारुण्यभराद्वना त्वमेव कारुण्यभराद्वरानताः
Avadvichintapi Shivaya Dehinam.
भवद्विचिन्तापि शिवाय देहिनाम्
Bhavatva Saurudranutishcha Kamada.
भवत्वसौरुद्रनुदिश्च कामदा
Pracheta Santa Vadayat Chatamapi.
प्रचेतसान्ता
Sorry, I have to do two lines. Sorry. Pracheta Santa Vadaya Chatamapi. Tvameva Karunya Bharadvaranadaha.
प्रचेतसान्तावतया च तामपि त्वमेव कारुण्यभराद्वरानदाः
Bhavadvichintapi Shivaya Dehinam. Bhavatva Saurudranutishcha Kamada.
भवद्विचिन्तामपि शिवाय देहिनाम् भवत्वसौरुद्रनुदिश्च कामदा प्रचेतसान्तावतया च तामपि त्वमेव कारुण्यभराद्वरानदाः भवद्विचिन्तापि शिवाय देहिनाम् भवत्वसौरुद्रनुदिश्च कामदा
Rudranutishcha Kamada. So Pracheta Sam to the Prachetas. Tavat. Tavat means that time. Yachatam. Yachana to ask. Yachatam without asking for. Tvameva Karunya Bharat. You only. Karunya Bharat from the compassion. Varan. Lot of boons. Adaha. You gave. You gave to Prachetas lot of boons even when they didn't ask for. Because Lord has appeared, so Lord will definitely give something, right? He bestowed them with lot of boons. And Bhavat Vichintapi Shivaya Dehinam. When any thought of yours is there, Dehinam Shiva. Who all are Dehis? Means all the human beings who are going to think about the Shivaya. Means it will be auspicious for all those who think about the Lord. And Bhavatvasau Rudranutischa Kamada. And whoever will sing that what Rudranuti, what Rudra has sang that stuti, whoever sings that, they all will be bestowed with immense boons of Lord and Lord's Karuna. So we should go back to Bhagavad and we should find out where is that Rudra stuti, because chanting Rudra stuti, Bhagwan has come and blessed that stuti, and it will, like, you will get everything what you desire in life is what Bhagwan Ji has said and blessed. Pracheta Santa Vadaya cha Tamapi Tvameva Karunya Bharadvaranadaha Kavat Vichintapi Shivaya Dehina Kavatva Saurudranutishcha Kamada. Sorry. Lakshmi. Avapya Kantantanayamahiruham.
Avapya Kantantanayam Mahiruham.
Tayaramadvandashalakshavatsarim.
Tayaramadvandashalakshavatsarim.
Tutostu daksho nanutakshanachamam.
Stutostu daksho nanutakshanachamam.
Prayasya theti nyagado mudaivatan.
Prayasya thetinyagado mudaivatan.
अवाप्य कान्तान् तनयामहीरुहां तयारमध्वन् दशलक्षवत्सरीम्
अवाप्य कान्तान् तनयां महीरुहां तयारमध्वन् दशलक्षवत्सरीम्
सुतोऽस्तु दक्षो ननु तत्क्षणाच्च मां प्रयास्यथेतिज्ञगतो मुदैवतान् थेतिज्ञगतो there is also ditva there.
स्तुतोऽस्तु दक्षो ननु तत्क्षणाच्च ताम् स्तुतोऽस्तु दक्षो ननु तत्क्षणाच्च मां प्रयास्यथेतिन्यगदो मुदैवतान् अवाप्य कान्तान् तनयां महीरुहां तयारमध्वन् दशलक्षवत्सरीम् स्तुतोऽस्तु दक्षो ननु तत्क्षणाच्च मां प्रयास्यथेतिन्यगदो मुदैवतान्.
So now the Lord, what Lord is blessing them. Avapya, having got Kantam, wife, who? Tanayam Mahimruam, of daughter of trees, Mahiruham, those all big trees are there, Tanayam. So having got wife, the daughter of tree as your wife, you will get. And then Taya, with them, Ramadhvam, with her Ramadhvam, you will enjoy Dasha Laksha Vatsarim. 10 lakh years you will enjoy with your wife. This is the blessing. And then thereafter what? Sutaha astu dakshaha nanu takshanachama. You will get a son called as Daksha. And then Prayasyatheti nyagado mudaivatan. Prayasyatha. So mancha prayasyata, you will come. So that prayasa is for that ma, which is ma on top, right? So mam prayasya, you will attain me, and nyagada mudaivatan. So you told, means Lord, Bhattatari ji is telling to Lord, you told them like this, nyagadaha mudaivatan, like that you have said to them, they will be happily enjoying that. Avapya kantan tanayamahiruha तयारमध्वन् दशलक्षवत्सरीम् सुतोऽस्तु दक्षो ननु तत्क्षणाच्च मां प्रयास्यथेतिज्ञगदो मुदैवतान्. Sahanaji, you have finished chapter? No, right? You didn't finish chapter, no? Sahanaji, have you finished? You have finished. Okay, sorry. Okay, sorry. I felt, then I just verified. Hamsa Nandini ji.
Sorry.
ततश्च ते भूतलरोधिनस्तरून्
ततश्च ते भूतलरोधिनस्तरून्
वृथा दहन्तो द्रुहिणेन वारिताः.
Varitaha, it is for me.
Vari, small, big va, small ri, tha, big.
Yes.
Varitaha.
Grutha dahanto druhinena varitaha.
No. Krudha dahanto druhinena varitaha. Second line.
Okay. One more time, Guruji.
Krudha dahanto druhinena varitaha.
Grutha dahanto gruhinena varitaha.
You are doing varitaha. I'm saying varitaha.
Varitaha.
Rumaishcha dattan tanayama vapyatam.
Drumaishcha tattam danayama vapyatam.
Twadukta kalam sukhino bhire mire.
Twadukka kalam sukhino bire mire.
Tune, huh? Tatascha te bhutala rodhinastarum. Somebody just tell me Tarun's Ru is Rasva Dirgha in your books.
The
My book is
last one
Dirgha.
is Dirgha.
Dirgha?
Tarun.
Tarun is Dirgha.
Because I am saying it Dirgha, but in my book it is shown Rasva. but the plural is dirgha, I know, but the print is showing rasva. Okay, fine.
Print is
Tatascha te,
showing dirgha.
is it? Okay,
The
then I'm seeing
doesn't
it
have to
rasva.
be.
Is it? Then
Yeah.
that's then my eye only is issue. Tatascha te bhutala rodhinastarun कृधादहन्तो द्रुहिणेन वारिताः
ततश्च ते भूतलरोदिनस्तरून् क्रथोतहन्तो द्रुहिणेन वारिताः
द्रुमैश्च दत्तान्तनयामवाप्यताम् त्वद्दुःखकालं सुखिनोभिरेमिरे
द्रुमैश्च तत्तान् तनयामवाप्यताम् त्वद्दुःखकालं सुखिनोभिरेमिरे ततश्च ते भूतलरोदिनस्तरून् क्रुधो दहन्तो द्रुहिणेन वारिताः तुमैश्च तत्तां तनयामवाप्यतां त्वद्दुःखकालं सुखिनो बिरेमिरे.
somehow it did, but doesn't matter. Tune you should practice. Okay, my dear. Fine. So now I'm not sure about the anger part over here. So they got angry and they were burning down the trees, the Prachetasa. But Brahmaji interfered, Druhinena Varitaha. He interfered, saying that you are married to them and you are not supposed to burn them. It seems that the trees were growing uncontrollably and there was no proper king to rule. And that is what the anger point. But there would be some more Purana stories into it, which I am not knowing where to fill this, the anger point of it. But in this only condensed form of Purana is there. Probably I'll just have to refer this portion and come back to find out the reason of their anger and why they wanted to burn down the trees and how Brahmaji has stopped. Tatascha te bhutalarodhinastarun kritha, so anger, dahanto druhinena varitaha, drumaischa dattam, the trees have given, tanayama vapyatam, trees have given their daughter to you and you have accepted it, so you should not burn. Brahmaji says, Twadukta kalam sukhino bhire mire, and then after that they have sukhinaha happily bhire mire lived after that. Whatever Twadukta kalam, whatever Lord had asked, that much kalam, Twadukta kalam, they live happily. Okay, one more to go. Sahana, you can only come because your hand was raised.
Yes, sure.
Avapya dakshancha sutankritadharaha.
Avapya daksham cha sutam krithadvaraha.
Again.
Avapya daksham cha sutam kritadvaraha.
Prachetaso naradalabdhaya dhiya.
Prachetaso naradalabdhaya dhiya.
Avapurananda padantatha vidhaha.
Avapurananda padam tatha vidhaha.
Swamisha Vatalayanaatha Pahimam.
Swamisha Vatalayanaatha Pahimam.
Avapya dakshancha sutankritadharaha prachetaso naradalabdhaya dhiya.
Avapya dakshancha sutankritadharaha prachetaso naradalabdhaya dhiya.
Avapurananda padantatha vidhaha Swamisha Vatalayanaatha Pahimam. Tatha vidhas Swamisha also is good.
But then you will not stop, right?
You will not stop. Tatha vidhas Swamisha, it's all together.
Avapurananda padam tatha vidhastvamisha vatalayanatha pahimam. Avapya dakshancha sutam kritadvaraha prachetaso naradalabdhaya dhiya. Avapurananda padam tatha vidhastvamisha vatalayanatha pahimam.
After this, you write over there, you have to say, Namah Parvati Pataye Hara Hara Mahadeva. Namah Parvati Pataye. Hara
Pataye.
Hara Mahadeva.
Hara Hara Mahadev. Namah Parvati Pataye. Hara Hara Mahadev.
Chant the whole thing and then you say this.
अवाप्य दक्षं च सुतं कृताध्वराः प्रचेतसो नारदलब्धया धिया अवापुरानन्दपदं तथाविधस्त्वमीश वातालयनाथ पाहि माम् नमः पार्वतीपतये हर हर महादेव.
Yes. So now what happens? Avapya Daksham. So Avapya Daksha, he gets the son Daksha, and Krutadvaraha, he was conducting this Brahma Satra. Then Prachetasa got Narada Labdhaya Dhiya. Narada has given the Brahmadhyana for the Prachetas, and then Avapuhu Anandapadam Tatha. So they went and they attained the moksha. They were in the bliss by the knowledge of what Naradji gave. So you, so what is not possible for you? You just take and protect me, and Tvam Isha Vatalayanatha. You are the Vatalayanatha. O Guru Vairappa, Pahi Mam, you protect me. Avapya Dakshancha Sutankritadhvaraha Prachetaso Narada Labdhaya Dhiya Avapurananda Padam Tatha Vidhastvamisha Vatalayanatha Pahi Mam. Namah Parvati Pataye Hara Hara Mahadev. Sada Sarvatra Govinda Nama Sankirtanam Govinda Govinda Narayana Akhila Guru Bhagavan Namaste. With his Krupa, we have completed the 19th Dashakam at a super fast speed within half an hour, because half hour we just got for the Chandas to talk, but many who are not able to follow, if the speed is too much, please message me in WhatsApp. I will again give a slow audio. This was only with the intention to complete the Dashakam, and also borrowed some minutes from the next, 2 minutes are accordingly. But those who find it too fast or not able to follow, please message me. The audio, of course, I'll put in the group, and the video will also be on the YouTube. So do forgive me if it's going too fast, but we will, we should not linger on anything long, because our minds are very fickle, I feel. And then any class that goes on long, we drop out. And I'm seeing this with my experience with other classes. The number goes down and down. We don't commit long term on this path. So it is only to hold you all together. Next week we'll go into complete the 20th Dashakam also we plan. And then the following week we have to have our Parayan of 1 to 20. Otherwise we'll forget what is there before. And last time we had taken a very long time. So this time, please, I think you all are practicing well. We have now 2 weeks before that. So in 2 weeks, do practice all 20 to get the speed. If learning can finish in half an hour, then chanting can finish in 2 minutes, I think, of this particular Dashakam. So if we plan that way, we have a grace of 15 minutes to enter the daily Gita at 6:45, 6:30, the class should finish India time. So please see that you are practicing so that 1 to 20 Dashakam Parayana is finishing in 1 hour's time. Okay. Then only 100 Dashakam we can think of 5 hours. Otherwise it will go for 12 hours. Huh? If 20 Dashakam can finish in 1 hour, the other thing we are giving, no? Then 5 hours. 5 hours I've told long. There are people who finish even before that. But at least 5 hours. Okay. So I think let us finish this. Do join Daily Gita. Again, we are getting into 25th week and we are starting. And soon after Daily Gita, we have reading of Eknathi Bhagavad. So Bhagavat's condensed form, how Narayaniyam is. Like that Bhagavat's only 11th skanda is Eknathi Bhagavad. The first only lines are so vast. It's immense. It's just, it bulldozers. Do join. Because it's not teaching, it's just reading in English. We end today's session. ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम् श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु Hari Om everyone. See you on the video. Hari Om.
Hari Om, Guruji.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Thank you, Asha.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dr.
Shaji, thank you so much.
Hari Om.
Thank you.
Hari Om. Thank you.
Hari Om. Thank you, ma'am.
Hari Om.